The House setting the stage for what looks to be a huge day on Capitol Hill. The House expected to pass the most comprehensive tax reform bill in decades. The president on the Hill this morning to rally the GOP. The House plan cuts the corporate tax rate from 35% down to 20%. It also doubles the standard deduction for individuals and families, but eliminates the state and local tax deductions known as SALT. But congressmen from some high-tax states like New York and California say eliminating the SALT deductions unfairly hurts their constituents.
It eliminates all of the property tax deduction except for $10,000, which would still hurt many of my constituents. There's no hint of any compromise, so based on that, I would have to vote no.
We are cutting taxes for middle and low-income families. The typical median household of four gets an $1,182 tax cut. That's big relief for people who really feel like they are one bad news away from a disaster.
Unlike the Senate Republicans' proposal, which brings health care in, by aiming to eliminate the Obamacare individual mandate, the House bill doesn't touch that. Like the Senate bill, though, the House measure would permanently slash the corporate tax rate and cut individual rates across the board. House Minority Leader Nancy Pelosi, at a rally against the bill, insists the changes are aimed at the wealthy, not the poor and the middle classes.
The list of disgraceful cuts goes on. And why? To give tax breaks to the corporations in America.
With 0 Democrats expected to vote yes in the House, President Trump responded via Twitter. Why are the Democrats fighting massive tax cuts for the middle class and business jobs? The reason? Obstruction and delay. In the House, there don't appear to be enough Republicans against the measure to sink it, but with little to no wiggle room in the Senate, some senators like John McCain, Bob Corker, Susan Collins, and Ron Johnson, passage is not guaranteed.
I wouldn't vote for this Senate version. Bottom line, there's a real problem here in terms of the equitable treatment of pastor entities.
A vote on the Senate's bill is expected after Thanksgiving. The two chambers would then need to reconcile the bills before sending them off to the president. Mr. Trump has been pushing a final version to hit his desk by the end of the year.